What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. You can call me JD, and once again we are talking about Nike Dunks. Nike is absolutely flooding the market with Dunks in 2021, and in this video I will be reviewing one of the most popular colorways to release so far. I will be talking about the Nike Dunk Low UNLV. What up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. In this video I will be breaking down the shoe. We will talk about the colorway. I'll get into the quality of the sneaker, let you know whether these are worth the resale prices right now. I'll cover sizing, we'll even get into some resale predictions, and as always I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So the Nike Dunk Low UNLV, we've seen this colorway many times on this silhouette. This was one of the OG colorways all the way back in 1985 with that Be True to Your School pack. We've seen this retro on several high top releases throughout the years, and it also has retroed in a low top. And the most recent occasion where we saw this colorway was of course on that Off-White collab, which came out in late 2019. I can't believe it's already been that long. The official release date for this sneaker in North America is February the 16th. And on that day, North America will be getting a lot of other dunk colorways, including this Coast Dunk colorway, which is a low top, and two high tops, a football gray and a vast gray. In addition to that, you will also be seeing this cobalt blue colorway on the same day. So if you want any more proof that Nike is trying to promote dunks heavy this year, trying to capitalize on the popularity, look no further than this: 5 dunks on the same day. Most of these dunks have already released worldwide, at least in Europe and Asia. And unlike the dunks that came out last year, this time these dunks were available in a lot more places, even really big retailers such as Foot Locker. And in the US, Foot Locker, Champs, all of the typical big sneaker retailers, they will all be receiving these dunks. And even though these sneakers were released in a lot more places, that doesn't mean that they were easy to get. Of course, bots exist, so bots ate up a lot of the stock. I was able to catch a restock on this. It released on Snipes once again, and I was able to hit on the restock. Now, I don't have a pair of the Off-White version to compare side by side. However, some of you guys have hit me up on Instagram and have told me that the colorway on this pair doesn't match exactly with the Off-White pair, and the colors on this pair seem to be a bit more muted, a bit more dull compared to the Off-White one, which was a lot more vibrant. That might be partly to do with the leather quality, so let's get into that. If you guys have been watching my reviews this year, you know what I have been saying about the leather quality on all of the GR dunks we've been getting this year. So far, I have reviewed the Vast Gray pair as well as this black pair that you see back here, and on all of these GR releases, the leather quality is nowhere near what we used to see with dunks last year. The leather quality is quite poor, it feels quite plasticky, and unfortunately the same can be said of the UNLV pair. If you are someone who really cares about getting value for money when it comes to quality, you're definitely not getting it with this pair. The leather quality seems to be the bare minimum that Nike could have put on a sneaker. But if you're somebody who really doesn't care so much about quality, and what you like about the shoe is this particular colorway on this silhouette, then this is perfect. The leather, I guess, meets the bare minimum qualifications for a shoe. So if you like the colorway and you like dunks, there's nothing wrong in getting these. The resale prices right now are not too high, either in the men's or the women's sizes. So definitely, if you like the colorway and you like the silhouette, yeah, go ahead and cop. One thing I noticed with this pair, so this pair, by the way, is a GS pair. So you're probably wondering why it looks so small in my hands. This is a GS pair, and the one thing I immediately noticed is the laces. So on all of the other dunks that I've copped this year, for example, this black pair, you can see that the laces are not your typical cotton laces. We've been getting these kind of nylon laces, these stretchy laces. However, in this GS pair, it looks like you do get normal cotton laces. And I compared it to the GS pair of the black ones that I had. You also get cotton laces on those. So it seems like the regular sizes, the men's and the women's sizes, you're gonna get a pair of nylon laces. whereas the GS pairs, they do come with your normal cotton laces. I also went ahead and threw on some of my beige laces on this sneaker. As you can see, it does add a bit of a different look to the shoe. I do think it looks quite good. If you are interested in copying these, of course, I will leave a link to it in the description. Once again, my shop is Elevate Laces and we do ship worldwide. Getting into sizing, with all Nike Dunks, for me, true to size fits absolutely perfect. In fact, I will even say that these general release pairs, they seem to be a bit more roomier than the special release pairs that came out last year. And they're not so roomy that you need to go down half a size. I think they're just the right amount of roomy. So my suggestion is just go true to size in these. All right, let's talk about resale. So this sneaker has not released yet in the US. However, the resale prices, they're not looking too hot. In a lot of sizes, the resale is under $200 right now, and we're gonna be getting the American release, so a lot more supply will be entering the market, so you can probably expect these prices to come down even lower. I personally don't think these are that good of a hold compared to some of the other Dunk colorways like the Coast colorway and the black pair. In my opinion, these are just not worth the hold when you consider how many Dunks we're going to be getting this year. The hype on Dunks I expect to gradually decrease as the year goes on and we get more and more and more colorways. So I do think if you manage to cop a pair, I would go ahead and sell them ASAP even before the US release. The good thing, of course, of these Dunks being so widely available is that those of you out there who do want to buy this pair, you won't have to pay all that much over retail. So if you really wanted this colorway and this silhouette, you're in luck because you can probably get away with paying maybe $150 and you'll be able to get a pair of these. What are my personal thoughts on this sneaker? Is it a cop or a drop? So I am definitely someone who does care quite a bit about leather quality, and I do think the leather on these pairs and all of the other GR Dunks this year just really disappointing in my opinion. And I know that this was one of the original colorways of the Dunk, however, I guess it was just never one of my favorites. So for me, these are definitely a drop. However, as I said, once again, if you don't care about leather quality and you just like the Nike Dunks, you really can't go wrong here. The leather is passable. If you just wanted to rock these Dunks with the UNLV colorway, just go ahead and cop because the prices are pretty low. The on-feet portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys once again for all the support on the channel and for watching this video. And until next time, peace.